Hello, I'm just here testing out my Hypercam and my webcam on Habbo.com playing Snowstorm. Yeah, this is a pretty pointless video, so if you think this is gonna be interesting or anything, you can just X out of this, because I'm just testing out my Hypercam and my webcam. I need to make sure that my Hypercam is recording the screen and my webcam is becoming my microphone, because I'm holding my webcam here like it's my microphone. My webcam's recording the screen. So yeah, just playing Snowstorm. If you play Habbo, you obviously have played this before. Well, you should have. Or you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, kind of bored. I'm gonna do really bad because I'm holding a webcam on here, and usually I can use two hands, but that's not the case this time. See what I mean? Usually I can do much better, but yeah, this is kind of a pointless game. Yeah, I'm doing pretty bad. Not doing good at all. See? Hold on. Yeah. I need to get this Jessica girl right here. See, I'm going 30 seconds left. See, this kid's hiding. He's cheap. I owned everyone. Yeah, so that's it for my test on my Hypercam and my webcam. I'll be making more meaningful videos later once I can get these. Hopefully this will go on YouTube. The others didn't. I'm just trying to test out some different stuff to see if it'll go on. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. Bye.